In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. Voice mode lets you talk to Claude and, in many cases, listen to spoken responses, which is perfect for hands-free tasks, quick brainstorming, or when typing isn't convenient. I'll guide you through what to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips so it works smoothly the first time. First, open Claude. You can do this in your web browser or in the mobile app. Give the page or app a moment to fully load so all the interface elements appear. Once you're in the main chat view, you're ready to get voice mode going. Next, look for the voice icon where you usually type messages. On the web, this is typically inside or just beside the chat box, and it may appear as a small microphone or a waveform style button. On the app, you'll notice a clear microphone icon near the message field. Tap or click that icon to start voice mode. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the chat input area is active and not covered by the keyboard or other panels. After you press the icon, you may see a brief indicator, like a changing microphone color or a listening prompt, showing that Claude is ready to hear you. Speak naturally and at a steady pace. Short pauses can help the system know when you're done talking, and a quiet environment will improve recognition. If you're using earbuds or a headset, that can reduce background noise and echo. At this point, you may find a microphone approval prompt from your browser or your device. This is a standard permission request asking whether Claude is allowed to use your microphone. Choose Allow so voice mode can capture your speech. If you accidentally dismiss the prompt, press the microphone icon again to trigger it once more. Some browsers briefly show the permission message near the address bar. Keep an eye out there. After you allow access, the microphone icon should show that it's listening. If nothing seems to happen, wait a second, then try speaking a short phrase to confirm it's picking up audio. That's all you need to activate voice mode on Claude AI. Open Claude, tap the voice icon in the chat box or app, and approve microphone access when prompted. From here, speak clearly. Give Claude a moment to process, and then continue the conversation by voice. Enjoy a faster, more natural way to interact with your AI.